Hello everyone, welcome to TUTORIEX. In this video and in next few videos I'll talk about Chrome extensions. So what is actually Chrome extensions? Chrome extensions are just software programs that you can add into your browser, and it helps you customize your browsing experience. That's the stuff in short. So you can make Chrome extensions with the same technology as web app or websites like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and all. Recently I made an extension, and I was thinking, like, when I tried to make that extension I needed to study the documentation because I couldn't find any latest videos on somewhere, so like on YouTube. So I'm just gonna make few videos, maybe 5 to 10 in this topic, Chrome extension, and if you watch these videos it will get you started on making extensions. And after you get started you can read the documentation, research on the topics like based on whatever you are trying to make. And of course every time you are trying to make something you should research and try to like find exactly what you are looking for. You are not gonna find everything on, in a video or something. You have to search different stuffs and different website, different blogs, different articles. So yeah, that's it. In next few videos I'll get you started with Chrome extensions. I'll teach you the basic layout, basic structure, and like how it works actually. So okay, see you on the next video and stay connected.